guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a custom stamp for PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start opening up a file. Next in the search bar, just type in stamp, then click on the stamp tool. Here in the left panel, you can see the custom stamps option or tool. Click on it and click on create. Now here, click Browse. Then next is open up your stamp file. Then press Add the category for this custom stamp and also add in a name for your newly created stamp. Then once done, click on OK. Now to add that newly created stamp, in the left panel, click on Stamps palette, select the category in which you added that stamp, click on the stamp, click on Complete. And just by that, you can now add this whenever and wherever you want it to add on your PDF file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!